Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Qudo Ai. In order to do so, here we are at Qudo.ai, and what is it all about? It's AI code review that meets your standards. Qudo empowers engineering teams to standardize code quality and move fast with AI, and you can book a demo or you can click here to get started. Just scrolling down here, we'll give an idea of what Qudo is all about. Agentic stack for high quality software development, organizational context in every agent, and everywhere devs work. Qudo agents run inside your IDE, terminal, and Git platforms, bringing intelligent automation to existing and new workflows. And if we click on Get Started here, this should bring us to a page where we can install, but it's not doing that right now for whatever reason. Let's go ahead and click on Log In. Actually, I'm already logged in, so we'll just go over here. And basically, once you finish signing up, then that's going to bring you to this page here. And if we click on Installation, then this is where you can also see the installation options as well. So that should get you started with Qudo. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations and promotions. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank, highly recommended. Check to see if it's in your area.